Hey folks, Ryder here. Good Saturday morning to you. And I shot a short video earlier describing what I was going to do today. And I did go ahead and set the stones to put the long Langstroth on, nice and level, right distance away. But bees are bees, and bees are going to do what they want to do. And one way that bees reproduce and continue themselves is to swarm. And my main hive has decided to swarm today. So I'm hoping she ends up in this tree, which is where the last swarm was. And it looks like I'm seeing a lot of bees collecting on this tree right now. This is 4K video, and clearly this is a swarm in progress. There's just no two ways to define this. This is a swarm. Hopefully she's landed in this tree, and I'm hoping a ball will collect soon on this tree. So I'm going to alter my plans. I will be collecting a swarm today. So the first thing I'm going to do is set up another hive box, because I was planning on splitting this hive, but I won't be doing anything with my new hives until after I solve this situation. Really uncanny. This is, you can see this branch right here. I cut that branch last year when I collected a swarm. And I hope they don't end up too high in this tree. I'm hoping they end up nice and low. So she's in there somewhere. I watched them progress from the hive to the grape arbor, and now it looks like they're all collecting on this tree. So right now I really wish I had a box already set up, but that's what I'm going to do, is set up a box to collect this swarm in, wherever it ends up, whether it's in the grape arbor or whether it's in this tree, or darn it, it looks like it might be forming in the neighbor's grapefruit tree. That will be a bit more of a challenge. I hope she hasn't flown that far away, but it looks like it is the case. Yep, looks like I have to go talk to the neighbor, because that's where I'm seeing most of the bees. I'm seeing a lot here though. Hopefully she stays here in my yard. So right now I'm going to go ahead and set up a box, and then I will hopefully be doing a video of a swarm capture. God, please end up in this tree, not the neighbor's orange tree. So let me go ahead, before I end this video, I'll walk over and show you. This is the long Langstroth right here. And I was just setting these stones the right distance and nice and level. This is where that box is going to go. And right as I was finishing this up, this is what happened. And even though they have plenty of room, wow, I even see drones on the outside of this box. There's a big giant drone right there. Okay, please don't. Sorry about that. I had two bees land on me at the same time, and I've been stung 5 times this week. So I'm a little flinchy, which isn't good. So I need to just calm down and wait and watch what happens here. Hopefully they ball up in my tree, but from the looks of it, you can see, look what's going on over there. That's probably where she is. Well, I'm going to end this video for now. Ryder in the midst of a swarm. Out.